Now that we've set up our supplier template, we can efficiently import multiple suppliers at once using the batch creation tool. The process is identical to how we handled customers. First, we need to get the correct data structure, including the custom VAT field we just added. Navigate to Suppliers, click Batch Update. Select the supplier we created manually. Click the Batch Update function button, then click Copy to Clipboard.
I'll paste this into a spreadsheet. This gives us the exact headers our system requires. As you can see, our custom field for the VAT number is now included, which is perfect. I'll clear the data for our first supplier.
For the supplier code, I'll use the account number from our source file. I will simply rename the account number column to code to match the system header. With our data prepared and formatted correctly, I'll select and copy all the new supplier information from the spreadsheet. Now, we'll return to the software to perform the batch creation. Copy the prepared supplier data from the spreadsheet. Navigate back to Suppliers. And then I'm going to Batch Operations again. And now go to Batch Create. I'll paste the copied data into the field and click Next. The system gives us a preview to verify that everything is mapped correctly. I can see the name, code, contact name, telephone, and the VAT number are all in the right place. This looks good, so let's finalize the import yet. And just like that, if we return to our suppliers list, we now have a full list of 12 suppliers imported with all their information. To make this view more useful, we can customize the columns. I prefer to see the supplier's status right after their name, followed by their VAT number, contact name, and telephone number. Let's apply that change. There, our supplier list is now organized exactly how we need it, giving us a clear and informative overview.